Hey everybody, I wanted to do an update on the grass that I had laid down earlier. This is an update. The grass is getting thicker and it's not too late. Right now it's like, I guess the 20th of April, and it's never too late. Don't get discouraged. You can transform your yard, or the backyard or the front yard or a bare spot. I'm going to link to my other videos, some cheap dollar store grass seed or whatever you can find. Ryegrass is resilient. If you don't have anything and it's bare, this is what you do. I'm going to link to the other video, but this is like an update video. So like I said, this is getting towards the latter part of April, and already the yard has been transformed because it was totally bare. And as far as that goes, you can do the same thing with the garden and everything else. It's still early. Now I have some over here by the trees and everything that wasn't there before. I kind of started this over here by the lattice under the deck. Same deal. Within a few days, you're gonna get results. Just be patient, keep it watered and everything. You should be good. Now, as far as the garden goes, my turnips are coming up. I kind of started a little bit later, but the thing is, keep them watered, and don't be afraid to lay down a lot of seeds, because out here the squirrels and everything else will be digging in it and trying to get all your vegetables. So again, transform your yard. It's springtime. It's time to do it. Get off the couch. Go out there. Look at all these turnips. I just sprinkled the seeds. I tried something different. I just sprinkled a lot of seeds this time and kind of like covered them over with dirt. We'll see if that's better than to plant them individually, like one seed, one hole, that way, like I did last year. We're gonna see. I kind of did both methods this time, but it's spring. Transform your yard. Let's get it done. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Be blessed.